Hello viewers, welcome to Android tutorial for beginner. Today I will describe the Android manifest file. Here is the manifest file, manifest XML file. Why manifest file is needed and how we can use it. If any kind of permission needed in our app, then we can set the permission in manifest file. As like internet permission and read contact from mobile phone, and here is the another is phone call from app, and is the manifest is the application tag, and we can see the icon as the application launcher icon is different from here, and application name is the label, and also we can the round images, and also we can set the theme of application, as theme is the default theme, app theme, and then we can set the all kind of activity in the manifest file. This is the activity manifest file, and if we want to add the second activity, then it will be also added in manifest file. Suppose we can add the second activity, as like here we can create a new activity. This is the activity, and this is the basic activity. Second activity, second activity, the finish. Second activity is skating. Now second activity is created, done. Now we can see the Android manifest file. So automatically in Android manifest file, activity second activity is embedded. The second activity, here is the second activity. So if we want to create manual activity, as like copy paste, this is the third activity, and third activity is created, but in manifest file not create automatically any activity tag. So now we will be define the third activity, coffee, and also will be defined the third activity. So there are a number of activity when will kit, then must be defined in manifest file. Without defined any activity manifest file, application will be denied for when we will use the activity, but we can't use in manifest file, then it will be show the error. So all activity will be defined in manifest file. Thank you.